Came back for fucking vengeance.
Yes, the boys. James has come back for vengeance. He was adamant on coming getting this fish. He
I
was
don't think it's the
adamant.
same fish, but similar size.
Boys,
Beauty.
I just seen it jump out of the water. I just literally seen it jump out of the water. I ran over, there were thorns stuck to my coat, got a video of my coat.
He's ripped all his coat, £150 coat, just to come and help me.
Went down the beach.
State of that. I need a picture of that.
That was a beauty.
Oh, look at the fucking state of that. Ew. Yeah, monster.
That's a
Monster. Big net that as well.
Came out.